We are in Windermere in the Lake District with one of our structural shell projects, which is being done with a self-builder who is looking after part of the project managing it, and we are assisting with our service as a structural shell. Right now what we've got the lower ground floor in, which on this job is the garage, storeroom, plant room, and then we've got the underbuilder substructure for what is going to form the ground floor area. So part of that sits behind the garage, and part of that is essentially the living wing of this house. So it's going to be a 3-storey house on one side with a big single-storey glass box on the other. The house design of this one's pretty complex. It's half built into a hill, half split level, and then you have suspended cantilevered slabs which are carrying bigger footprints as you go up. So the lower ground floor is actually smaller than the ground floor, and then it changes again. So you've got lots of steps in the design that goes up. We got on board with the architects, Alan Corfield Architects, and the client quite early on, and looked at all the different detailing and add-on options. So how we would do an insulated lower ground floor within a basement, the walls on it, how the waterproofing would work with that. Where eConnect and ICF's been really good for that is that ICF gives you one system and one component that provides the shuttering for the structural component, which in this case is concrete. That allows you to build a simple retaining wall. That allows you to tank and waterproof easily. And then on top of that, because you've got this external concrete structure, you get a permanent formwork that provides the insulation for the house or for the build as well, which means you're going to have a house with virtually no running costs. Then the engineer gets involved to look at how you make the cantilevers work, how you make the window detailing work. Because what you've got on this is the living area, it's like a big frameless glass design. So achieving that aesthetic with the window company and with ICF was something that quite a lot of back and forward between the window supplier, the architect and ourselves to provide a detail that could be built, but that would also stand up to what you've got in Windermere with the wind and the rain.